Harsh Agrawal and I am going to tell you about one of the world's most difficult examination, which is Joint Entrance Examination, commonly known as JEE. The JEE Entrance Examination is one of the most difficult examination in India and in the world also. JEE Entrance Examination is conducted to get the admissions in the engineering pursuing students in different colleges of India. The college students will get admission there in basically two basic parts. First in the JEE Mains and second in the JEE Advanced. JEE Mains is the theoretical one and the JEE Advanced is the practical one. JEE Advanced is much difficult than the JEE Mains. JEE Mains contains the basic theory of the 11th and the 12th, but the JEE Advanced conducts as the numerical part. It conducts the thing which is more of a research type. Now let's consider what are the strategies to consider in JEE preparation. The JEE preparation is very tough and it is conducted between 2 years. Generally an average student takes 2 years to prepare for the JEE Advanced and the JEE Mains. Basically what the time it is the time when you are getting a board examinations also. First, let you be very sure that you are getting minimum 70% marks in the board examinations, because without that you cannot get any admissions anywhere, because you will have to get 70% examination. So you first have to be determined to get the admissions in the board examination, a good marks in the board examinations. Now let's consider what is the strategies. First, you can say that the first thing you should do is to make a strategic notes. What are the syllabus? You should consider what are the syllabus, and then you should persuade a strategy to consider, to practice and to make and evaluate yourself. To evaluate yourself, you can do the practice sets. I think 15 to 16 practice sets of any subject is more than sufficient for you. Many students also do the coaching. Coaching is also good. You can do it, but you have the guts to do that. You can do coaching in any way. You can go to the Kota or you can go to nearby place where you can do coaching. Generally people go to Kota to get a very diversified type of elements, and the very diversified types of problem solving. Major coachings are Allen, Resonant, Vibrant and Bunsen. You can go in any one of them. It depends on your choice. But basically what it ends with your examination pattern, your difficulties, your persuading power and your hopefulness. Thank you for the video.